going on, you guys? How's everybody doing today? I'm coming to y'all with another favorite crochet braid style that I like to wear. So I'm going to talk to y'all about the hair that I use, how I put it in. This is not like a tutorial as, you know, me putting it in my hair and showing y'all exactly how I do it, because I do have a video where you know, I showed me putting hair in my head. So if you want to see that video, I'll put that in the link down below. But it's the same process, the same braid pattern. The only difference is I just used a different hair. So y'all, this is one of my favorite crochet styles. I've done this once before, a couple of years back, and they were kind of out of the hair in my local hometown store. So since they got it back, I decided to go ahead and get it, and it just brought back those feelings of me loving this hair so much. Like, this hair done exactly what I wanted it to do. So I'm just going to kind of show y'all the hair, show y'all how I put it in and everything. So right now I just got it pinned up, and I'll show y'all some pictures of what it looked like when it's down, because it's kind of like the like fro style, and I like it because it looks really natural. I love like the little crinkles in it and everything. So this hair that I'm using, which I am a fan of this brand, it is the Harlem 125 Kima Braid hair, and this one is in the Afro Temptation. This is what the card looks like, and it comes in 24 inches. So let me show y'all the bag. This is like from what I had left over. So this is the bag right here, and as you can see, that hair is pretty long. Yes, it is a synthetic hair. And so this is how one of the strands look. It's like this little crinkle style, very easy to pull apart and everything. So as y'all can see, I like to wear mine like a shoulder length. So what I did was I cut it in half, and I kind of made it uneven, which I'll show y'all that, you know, on this video. But I like it to be kind of uneven because it kind of makes it look really natural at the end. So what I like to do when putting in this hair, I'll take it and I'll go ahead and just cut it in half, like so. So when I cut it in half, I get like these little section pieces. And so what I do is I'll take the first piece and I'll split that in half, and then I'll take it again, split it in half, and then I'll make it uneven. So as y'all can see, it's kind of uneven. And so what I do is I crochet it like that, just take it and put it in like that. So that is how I kind of got that like uneven type look. Let me show y'all the back. Even though it's pinned up, I know you'll still be able to see it, but that's how it looks. But like I said, when pulling this hair apart, it's really easy. It doesn't like tangle or anything. It just comes right apart, and I love that because it has that like really natural look. And so in order to do this style, I use the same amount. I use 3 bags, and you know, I don't want it too full, but this is, you know, good enough. But like I said, if you guys want it a little bit thicker, you might want to get 4 bags. And according to your hometown, this hair was $2.99 at my hometown. But I'll try to put a link. I think they have it on samsbeauty.com. If so, I'll put the link down below if you guys are interested. And this is in a color 1. So yeah, you guys, I really like this. It's really easy. It doesn't shed. And one thing that I really like about this hair is I don't have to spritz the knots, because, you know, sometimes if the knot is so soft they don't want to stay. It's no problem at all with this. Like, soon as you tie this on, it locks in. So that's always a plus. Hopefully I'll be able to leave this up until the New Year's, because I like to switch my hairstyles around so much. But because this stays so well, I think I am going to leave this in until the New Year's and everything. So yeah, you guys, I am really loving this hair. So I just want to come by and show you guys. I don't really put anything on this hair, not nothing for shine. Not nothing towards the ends. Like, it's like nothing that I really have to do to it. Most of the time I just take care of my scalp by putting my organic oils in there, making sure my, you know, my scalp in the inside is moisturized and things like that. But as far as having to maintain the ends of this hair or do anything, I don't have to do anything to it. So all right, you guys, I just want to give you guys you know, another option of crochets that you guys can try. And if you like the natural look, this will be great for you. And like I said, I'll put pictures of what it looked like once it's like all up, or all down or whatever. I just don't want to take it down because I'm getting ready to go somewhere. So yeah, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. All links will be in the box down below, and you guys have an amazing day. Bye.